Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Or maybe life gets too busy and you feel pressure? I know that feeling. But today, you will learn how to stay calm. And guess what? You will boost your English at the same time. Welcome to English Boost. I am Ryan, and this is our Better Life English series. Imagine this real-life situation. You have a big meeting at 9 a.m. It is 8:45. You are late. Your heart beats fast, your mind is noisy. You are feeling, oh no, I am in trouble. I'm going to lose this chance. Most people panic here. They start to run, they start to worry, they make more mistakes. But I want you to change your reaction today. Let's use the 3-step rule together. Step 1, stop. Just stop moving. Take control of your body. Step 2, breathe. Take a deep, deep breath. Let the air fill your lungs. Step 3, think. Ask yourself, what is the first, most important thing I need to do right now? Repeat after me. I stop. I breathe. I think. Do it one more time. I stop. I breathe. I think. You are doing great. This is the first step to staying calm. Now let's look at common mistakes we make when we feel pressure. Mistake 1. Thinking I must be perfect. No, perfection is the enemy of progress. We often worry about what others think, but don't. Say it with me. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be me. Mistake 2, forgetting to speak. Sometimes when we are stressed, we get shy. We stop talking English. But you should speak, even if you make mistakes. Mistakes are just steps to being a pro. Let's say, mistakes help me learn. Mistakes make me better. Mistake 3, moving too fast. Pressure makes us speak fast, like a machine, but speaking slowly helps you stay calm. It helps your brain organize words. Let's practice. I speak slowly and clearly. Remember, quality is better than speed. Let me tell you a story. Last year, I had a very big job interview. I was terrified. My hands were shaking in my pockets. I forgot all my English words like experience and manager. I almost walked out of the building. But then I remembered the 3-step rule. I stopped. I breathed. I thought. I looked at the manager, smiled, and said, I am a little nervous, but I am very ready for this. You know what happened? He smiled back. He told me he liked my honesty. We talked for 30 minutes. That day, I learned a great lesson. Pressure is just a feeling, not a wall. You can break through it if you stay calm. Now, let's lock this in. I want you to say this with me, with power. I stop, I breathe, I think. I stay calm, I stay focused, I take control. It feels good, right? Let's do it again. I stay calm, I stay focused, I take control. Now, the 1-minute challenge. The topic is, what makes you feel calm? I will go first. Listen to me. Okay, let me start. I feel calm when I drink a warm cup of coffee in the morning. The smell of coffee is great. Also, I feel calm when I listen to soft music. Sometimes I sit in my chair, close my eyes, and think about my goals. It helps me a lot. When I walk in the park, the trees and the fresh air make me feel relaxed and peaceful. It is my favorite way to escape the pressure of the day. And you? You can do it too. Just keep talking like me. That was my minute. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and speak for 1 minute. Why is this Better Life English? Because when you control your mind, you control your life and your English. Think of pressure not as a wall, but as a challenge to make you stronger. When you feel the pressure, just smile. It sounds simple, but a smile sends a signal to your brain. I am okay. I am safe. Let's practice. Close your eyes. Imagine a calm, beautiful place. Feel the peace. Now, say it out loud. I am doing my best today. I am enough. Calm, relaxed. I feel calm. Pressure, stress. Too much pressure. Panic, being afraid. Don't panic. Breathe, using air. Breathe in deeply. Mistake, not correct. It is okay. Relax, rest. I like to relax. Brave, not afraid. Be brave. Simple, easy. Keep it simple. Focus. Look at one thing. Focus on now. Happy, feeling good. I am happy. Quiet, no noise. It is quiet. Slow, not fast. Speak slowly. Strong, powerful. You are strong. Time, hours. Take your time. Listen, hear. Listen to me. Practice, do it again. Practice daily. Easy, not hard. English is easy. Mind, thoughts. Clear your mind. Goal, your dream. My goal is English. Peace, being calm. Find your peace. You did a fantastic job today. You stayed with me until the end. Subscribe to English Boost and join our community. Your mission. Write in the comments, I am calm and I am learning English. It really helps me know you are here. See you in the next video. Stay calm, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day.